All right, before we get started, you'll need to make sure that you're logged into your Google account and that you've got access to the Google measurement tools that you're going to need. And before we dive in, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you'll never miss our latest videos. All right, let's talk about that Google ID for just a second. Your tag's going to be the same across Google Ads, Analytics, Campaign Manager 360, and Tag Manager. But here's the thing, finding that Google Tag ID is going to be a little bit different depending on which product that you're using. So I'm going to walk you through how to find this ID in Google Ads, Analytics, and Tag Manager. Now don't worry, you only need to find this ID once, and once you've got it, I'm going to show you how you can use it to set up Google measurement products in other places. Cool tip, let's say you start with Google Ads. Well, you can find the ID in Ads, and then you can use that same ID to set up Google Analytics or Campaign Manager 360. Pretty cool, right? Now for Google Ads, just go to Tools on the left, and then click Data Manager in the Data Manager section. Now click Manage next to Google Tag. All right, now if you're using Google Analytics, all you have to do is just go to Admin at the bottom left of the screen and then click Data Streams. Okay, now just select the data stream that you want to use. And then under Google Tag, just click Configure Tag Settings. Now, if you're using Google Tag Manager, then you'll want to click the Google Tags tab. Okay, now you're going to see your Google Tags all listed there, so just select the tag that you want to use. And now you're going to be able to view the details. All right, now find the right location for the product that you're using, and then just follow these easy steps. First, you'll need to click the Google tag on the left side. Then you'll want to copy that tag ID in the Tag Details section. Now, this tag ID is super important because it's a key to connecting your site to all of the cool Google measurement tools that are out there. Okay, in the next video, we're going to look at how to use this tag ID to set up Google Analytics on your WordPress site without messing with any code and verifying that it's working on your site.